Hello everyone, it's me Jackie. Today we are going to talk about why business need to deploy VPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. In a business, there are always servers. Let's take some large supermarket as example. The information of shopping carts we use in these supermarkets is stored in the server, and we need to be able to access and then modify it from another city. So, shopping cart information need to be easily queryable and modifiable at all times. But here's the problem. Where do we put the server? It needs to be both secure and easily accessible. If we put it on the internet, there could be bugs, and if a hacker breaks in, it could lead to information leaks or tampering. So the server is placed in local area network, but we still need to assign it a private IP address so that other cannot access it. But it can only be accessed within the supermarket. While this method is secure, it's not very convenient, since other branch supermarkets cannot access it. That's where VPN comes in. By using the internet to create a private tunnel, we can establish internal network communication across the public internet, which is a very common technology used in business. Okay. That's it for today's topic. If you have any question, please leave a message in the comment area. And don't forget, subscribe my channel. See you again, buddy.